Good morning, dear student. I hope you all will be safe at your home. Today we will learn how to create pandas series practically. For this we have to import the pandas library. You can see the series function. It's having different type of parameters: data, index, retype, and that we have already discussed in the presentation, that what is the use of all these parameters. So pd.series, pd is the object of pandas library and series is the function to create the series, and s1 is the name by which we are creating a series. So you can see in this way we have created one series, that is empty series. By default its data type is float 64. It's given by the Python. Now in next series C we are giving the values, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is we are providing a list to the series, and you can see automatically index are going to be appear in front of the each element, and by default its data type is int 64 because we are providing the integer value. Now next we are creating a series with the help of list, and in this we will give the index value. As you can see in the previous series, the index that are coming are by default it starts from 0 and up to 5. Suppose you want the index from 1, so you can provide the index also. See, this is the output how you can create the series with your own indices. And int 64 is the default data type. Again here the value that we are providing, on the basis of that Python is giving the data type. Now we just import the numpy as np. You know the numpy is the numerical Python and np is the object for that. Now we will create one series with the help of array. Here you can see I have written as small, so it will not give you the proper output. See the error that will come. np.array, array is the function of numpy that we are using here to provide the value. Again array function is having all these parameters: object, data type, copy, order. Now see 1 2 3 4 5, we are providing this data to the series function, but because the s is the small, so it will not give the proper output. It's showing the error that pandas has no attribute series, means series function is not available with the Python where s is small. Now again we will write the same command. We can copy paste it here on the Python environment, so it will give you the proper output. When we will correct this, s will be capital. Python shell where we are creating the codes, all these codes. s1 equals to pd dot series, np dot array 1 2 3 4 5. Now I am giving the next element, that is 10, 20 and 30. So now it will create one series, that is with the element 10, 20 and 30, and the indices are 0, 1 and 2. It's the data type here is int 32. So now again we will create one series, pd dot series. np dot array. Here again we can give the index with the help of array. When we are creating the array, again we will provide some values and index as well, as we have given in the previous example. Ten, 20 and 30, 40, and now we will give some index. With the help of arrange function, np dot arrange function is again available with the numpy. So 0 to 12 we will get the values. Here it's showing an error because the value that I have given 10, 20, 30, 40, only 4 values I have given, and the index that will be generated will be 6. So it will give you an error. Length of passed value is 4 and index is 6. Again we will give 2 more values, so now we will get the proper answer. See, this is we can create with the help of arrays, and it's with the index.